Well, good morning folks, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're in the line, so we finally made it to the ferry. We had a 2-hour delay, but we've just seen the ferries just come in behind me there. And when we get over to Rosslare, we've still got a 3.5 hour drive to get to where we're going. But yeah, hopefully we'll get on the ferry pretty soon. And we're going to show you what the boarding procedure is like for Irish ferries. I'm going to show you some of the accessibility on the ferry. We have got a cabin. Now we don't know whether we've got a wheelchair accessible cabin because obviously this trip was changed. We were supposed to be going from Holyhead. And again, we don't know. But we'll show you the cabin anyway, and we'll show you the rest of the accessibility. Check-in here at the port was quite simple. Rock up, give your name, they already had your details on the system, they park you up in which lane, we explain that we've got the wheelchair lift on the side, so they put us in a different lane. They've given us a little hanger that you just put from the rear view mirror or on your dashboard with a wheelchair symbol on, just so the guys who are loading us know that we've got additional needs. You know, be by the lift, that we've got a wheelchair lift that comes out from the side of the van, etc, etc. So again, it's all organised, all done properly. So when we set off to board the ferry, we'll start the cameras rolling and we'll show you from there.
Highways hung, wheels keep spinning. Pembroke tides, my journey's beginning. Roads unroll like a lover's embrace. Ireland's calling, I'm picking up the pace. With the sea breeze in my hair, motorhome taking me there. Pembroke to Rosslare where we roam, living free in our home on wheels. Green hills wave as we drive by, sheep and castles meet my eye. Rusty towns, their stories speak. In the wild heart I find what I seek. With the sea breeze in my hair, motorhome taking me there. Pembroke to Rosslare where we roam, living free in our home on wheels. Tales of hope etched in stone, miles to go but we're never alone. Midnight stars light our path, every twist and turn brings a laugh. With the sea breeze in my hair, motorhome taking me there. Pembroke to Rosslare where we roam, living free in our home on wheels.
Rolling waves and blue skies bright, with the ocean whispering fine. Irish ferries set to flight, carry hearts across the brine. Gift shops sparkling with their pearls, treasures waiting for the world. Every stop's a story told, in these waters, brave and bold. Restaurants filled with laughter's tune, smiles and toasts beneath the moon. Feast your heart where dreams are spun, every dish a setting sun. Tables set with love and cheer, glasses raised without a fear. Irish seas are where we steer.
So along with a well-stocked duty-free, they've got another shop that's with all your bits and bobs and your chocolates and sweets and crisps and all sorts.
Wheelchair wheels and hearts so free, no barrier in this wide sea. Gift shops filled with tales and more. Every wave a calling shore. Irish ferries evermore. In these hands our fates we hold.
So you have got lift access to obviously all the levels. So we have got a cabin. It's not wheelchair accessible, but if you're in a standard sized manual chair, as you can see, Denise just about fits through. And then once she's through, there's enough room to get in and shut the door behind you. So in the cabin, even though, like we say, it's not wheelchair accessible, there is enough space for a wheelchair user to get in. We'd love to show you a wheelchair accessible cabin, but because of all the disruptions with Storm Dara and Holyhead.
Our original Birkin did have an accessible cabin on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it did have an accessible cabin of it, but because of the change and coming to Pembroke, they couldn't facilitate it on this trip, could they? But
no.
There's 2 single beds, and they're at a decent height. So
But it's actually a 4-berth.
is it 4-berth?
Yeah,
Oh,
that and that is a pull-down bed.
for a pull-down bed there. You have a little dressing table, little seats, some hanging space there. There's the ladders, obviously, to get in to that pull-down bed. And then here you have the bathroom. So toilet and sink, and a
Pretty decent shower.
pretty decent shower. So yeah, that's not too bad. I should imagine the accessible one, because this has obviously got a step, so I should imagine the accessible one is very similar, slightly bigger but with level access. We hope that we can work with Irish Ferries again, just to show you the accessible cabin, because as a cabin as it goes, this isn't bad, is it?
No.
So we're just going to tuck into some breakfast, and as you can see, it's accessible. So there's Denise can get under, no problem, and eat a breakfast with a bit of comfort. So as you can see, guys, here, even when they loaded the boat, they've left space so we could get round and obviously still get the lift out.
With the sea breeze in my hair, motorhome taking me there. Pembroke to Rossler where we roam, living free in our home on wheels. Green hills wave as we drive by, sheep and castles meet my eye. Rusty towns, their stories speak, in the wild heart I find what I seek. With the sea breeze in my hair, motorhome taking me there. Pembroke to Rossler we roam, living free in our home.